What's up, everybody? I know you haven't seen me in a while because I haven't uploaded a video recently. My 2018 has been filled with lots of change. Let's see, I officially settled back into life in the US, got a new job, reached 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, went on a hiking trip with my best friend Dylan, was in a friend's wedding, went to another friend's wedding, went skiing for the first time in almost 3 years, got engaged to the love of my life, saw a Yankees game in New York, traveled to Malaysia, threw a massive dance party, played with lemurs and spider monkeys, and last but not least, I got married. 2018 has been a wild ride, and I enjoyed every bit of it. In 2019, I'll continue to make videos, each reflecting just a small piece of my life. More laughter, more friends, more family, and more adventure. Thank you to everyone's support who has made 2018 an awesome year. Thank you to everyone who continued to watch these videos. I know I haven't been the most consistent this year with my uploads, so thanks for hanging on. For 2019, I want to make better content and upload more consistently. If you haven't subscribed to Perry Boys yet, make sure you click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on future videos. Here we come, 2019.